Okay, we're out in the bush today doing a field demo of the latest modifications to the GP 3500, which can also be done to the GP Extreme and GP 3000. 3 extra switches which are incorporated for these mods, 2 on the back end and 1 on the front end. A bit hard to see, it's right up underneath the top up here. The 3 modifications all add to sensitivity and depth. One's a frequency ranger, another one's an internal sensitivity mod, and the third one is an increase in the clock speed of the microprocessor unit. All 3 of these can be done by a few different technicians. This one's done by Ismail Jones from Sakina Technologies in Perth, and I'll just go and show everybody our little test patch. Right ahead of me here, you can probably just make out a number of pink flags. These are soil sample marker pegs, which are used in the mineral exploration industry to delineate where soil samples are going to be taken. I've just found 6 targets strewn all over this area, which has been absolutely hammered by everybody. 2 weeks ago I had 2 GPX 4500s over this ground and it was completely flogged. There were 4 junk targets and 4 bits of gold found just in this area. It was heavily gridded and there were no more targets left when we finished with it. The 4500s I set up myself in enhance, high gain, low motion speed, medium tracking, and also in fixed later on. So we'll just go and turn off, bring the modified 3500 over here and see what we can hear. Okay, here's our first target. The marker peg's just there, just kicked it out of the ground. There's a little bit of interference coming through at the moment. If only the interference would shut up, we'll be laughing. Okay, so let's see what this target is. Just round over the target marker. A bit of a scratch, as all prospectors do. Getting louder, so I shall plonk it down. See what target we've got here. Still in the hole. Unfortunately, we're very close to a microwave tower just here, so there was a bit of noise, which the 4500 absolutely hates. It's a little bit more user friendly here with the 3500, believe it or not. Still in the hole. Swap hands again. looking pretty good. Nice and soft, how we like them. Sorry if I'm not focusing very well. Turn this down a little bit. It's starting to drive me nuts. Sort of chopping and changing from one hand to the other. Still down in the hole. I'm using an 11-inch Minelab mono, by the way, because the 4500s that were both here are also using 11-inch Minelab coils. So to keep the test fair, use the same coil. Right. Turn this up just a little bit. EMI spike there, courtesy of our friendly microwave tower. She's out. Alright. Get my little scoop. I'll just have to juggle it for the moment. See the scoop now. See what we've got here. A little piece of steel. Okay, well here's the results of those 6 targets that I dug up. As you can see, there's 3 bits of gold, a piece of steel, a rivet, or an eyelet I should say, and a piece of lead shot. So it just goes to show how much extra depth the mods are providing. Like I said, that small area, it had already been done over by an awful lot of detectors. It's had a 2000 GPM over it, Gold Scan 5. It's had a White's MXT 3000, 3500, a few 4000s, and the 2 4500s just recently. So it's a very small area, only about I suppose 30 square meters, and there's probably been about 50 or 60 pieces of gold come off it, and of course another 4 just recently, only a couple of weeks ago, to the 2 4500 users that went over the spot. And I had a bit of a play around there a bit later on as well, the same area, and got these targets as well. More lead shot, a copper nail, another eyelet, head of a steel nail, and most of these bits of lead shot and gold were actually 2 or 3 inches deep. This piece of lead shot was nearly 4 inches deep. This piece of gold here, it's about half a gram. That was almost 4 inches deep as well. All measured with my my pick handle. So it just goes to show how much extra depth this new modification or series of modifications can actually achieve. I'll be putting more videos up very shortly of me digging some bits of gold up, so enjoy.